I was in Doha last week for Web Summit Qatar, and here are 3 things I learned. First, following big deals for companies like Grok and Cerebras in the Gulf, I wondered whether AI chip companies are looking at the Gulf as a market now. But it seems most AI chip startups are looking at Qatar to raise capital, rather than as a particular market for big AI chips and big AI infrastructure at this point. Several people told me Qatar is less insistent on having to have a physical presence in the region to raise capital compared to working with other sovereign wealth funds in the Gulf region. But in general, sovereign wealth funds in the Gulf states are run by highly technical people who understand both the industry and the technology very, very well. Second, Qatar is building a talent pipeline for semiconductor engineering with a vision of encouraging fabulous semiconductor companies in the region in a more organic way. IMEC is building a base there to take advantage of talent that might find it hard to get visas for US or Europe. And crucially, Qatar has promised it can issue those visas very quickly. Third, sovereign quantum is a thing. We're familiar with sovereign AI, but quantum computing technology is also of significant strategic importance. And countries want to keep control of their data, so they don't necessarily want to rely on foreign providers. The shape this will take will be different to sovereign AI, but there'll be some key similarities, including things like building a quantum ecosystem for hardware and software development. Keep following me to see more of my reporting this week on Qatar's nascent semiconductor industry, or check out eetimes.com.